So basically we are at the ganga again, and today is like the biggest day out of like all the days of we're here in Dharamsala and our trip in general. Today we're going to be seeing Gongsecho, and he will be like receiving his blessing and actually like meeting him. Like this is my second time meeting him, but the first time I met him I was like a little baby, and this is the first time Jed's met him. So Machiba today is kind of fire. So I don't know where Momo is, and we haven't ate yet, but we're like one of the first people here. We're not supposed to be here till 7 at 6:25, and I really wanted something to eat, but I guess not. Because I think once they leave us in here, they're not letting us out.
Our family, along with Shomosetin, getting a blessing from His Holiness the Dalai Lama. There is a lot of people waiting. Large group of people.
Hello guys! We are on the way to Golden Temple in Amritsar. We are leaving Dharamsala right now. Very sad because Dharamsala is actually really nice. One of the probably the better places we're gonna be, just because like the atmosphere here is really nice. But we're leaving now, so yes, we are walking to our taxi. We just had like such good food, and it's like sad because we only found it like right after, like at the very end of our trip. But other than that, we found really good food, and we're leaving now. Okay guys, we are currently at the Golden Temple in Punjab, Amritsar. And it is really pretty.
We are going to try langar.
We're going to try langar. I don't know what this is.
Which is like they feed everybody.
They feed everybody.
So it's
But
big kitchen.
I feel like the culture is kind of similar to Buddhism almost a little bit. So it's like
Do you
Sikh
mind showing
culture.
them back, Jenna?
Yes. That's the Golden Temple from the back. And people go in it, and inside there's like a shrine, they said, with that like a light shines on, but it takes like an hour and 30 minutes in the line. It takes a very long time.
And Jenna, look at that. What is that, Jenna?
There's two different.
Oh, that's a good souvenir. We just had that lassi.
We are at this place called the Lotus Temple. This is a place, Pala, you said that inside the temple it is completely empty.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like it's a religious temple, but it's like completely empty. It's really aesthetic.
Yeah.
And they really did a good job with the park in general.
Yeah.
It's very clean and very
And it has
calming.
to do mainly with the meditation or something like that.
So like it has to do with meditation, I guess. But this could be all false news. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah.
I think I've seen this online before.
Bro, my feet are on fire.
What do you need the tan for? Sure.
Right. Jed, Broden, you do not need no tan. This is the India Gate. Oh, I'm starting to get sick. And in there, I think is the War Memorial. Okay guys, we are on the way to the airport and we're gonna go fly out to Bodh Gaya. Yeah, see you at the airport. Okay, hello guys, we're on the plane, but this flight is so short that we're already on our descent. And I was kind of napping at the beginning of the flight, so yeah, I'll see you when we land. Okay, so we just landed and this airport is like super tiny and it might be drizzling right now, but there's no rain in the forecast when Pala checked, so we'll see. Oh, we're going to our hotel first and then I think we're going to the Gomba, but the Gomba doesn't allow phones or cameras, so I won't be able to film. Okay. Hello guys, so we are in the hotel now and basically we're gonna be going to the Chidin temple, but I'm not allowed to film anything there. Don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but we're gonna go and we're gonna eat. Yes. Okay, so we are here at the first places of our Nikor. Nikor? How do you say it? Nikor. And the first place is a mountain that symbolizes what? Or well, not symbolizes, but like, what is the meaning of the mountain? Oh, never mind. We're just going here because, you know, it's important. We'd have to ask Momo what it means, but it obviously it symbolizes something important, and there's a real reason why we're here. It's a really long, like, we have to do like a hike, and we have to go like all the way up. But yes, we have to get all the way up there. Apparently there are a lot of monkeys here.
Oh, no, 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 no. Gentle. Hey, what?
And I just saw a dog with the Target dog face. So we are at another one of our destinations for Nikor, and yeah, it's like a huge cave like up there. It's like up there, and it's like a little cave, and he Sangye in there and prayed in there, and then there's like a separate area, and then we had to do like a little bit of a hike, but it wasn't like horrible. It was harder, yeah, it was harder than the other one. It was a little bit steep.
It was very steep.
And the bathrooms here are absolutely disgusting, so yeah. We are at the Nalanda some school. It was a school, it was a Buddhist school, and then it got destroyed. And now we're just gonna look at their remains. And it was actually really big. Like, all the way to there, all the way down to all the way down there. Monastery. And they all excavated it. So this was all underneath the ground, and then in like early 1900s they found it and excavated this whole thing. I got attacked by a monkey. Momo almost got attacked by a monkey. We were giving them water and biscuits, and then they attacked me because they were jealous that they didn't get any water. All of this. Nope. They're all temples and monasteries and stuff.
Shrines.
Yeah. And the fact that they've been able to like maintain it all.
Look at that side.
That's crazy.
Hello
Hello guys. So we are in the car on our way to Varanasi. We left from Bodh Gaya at like 9:45, I want to say 9:30. And it's like 3 p.m. We're almost there. At least we're pretty sure we're almost there. And Varanasi was the place where he gave his first teaching, like Buddha gave his first teaching, I'm pretty sure. So we're going there, staying there for tonight, and then tomorrow night we're on the plane to leave, go back to Delhi. So yeah, I will see you when we get to our hotel. We're on the boat.
अच्छा हाँ पंजाबी है अच्छा